hi, my name is Sabine Heinrich-Komar and I teach the Baking and Pastry Arts program here at Conestoga. So at this moment in our level 4 pastry diploma program. So today we're making here mini eclairs. We're working with sugar, with poured sugar show pieces. And we have some hand-dipped chocolates with Calibre chocolate. The most unique thing about this program is that we are very close to the industry and that we're giving a lot of experience compared to other colleges. We have a lot of in-lab time, and experience is that what the students really manifests their skills and keeps them very close to their trade. We also have a program where students volunteer in the industry just to get connections with industry partners and experiences, yes. We have a lot of international students from Korea, China, from Israel, from Lebanon, from India, from South America, and I would say around 30% of the domestic students. To see the students live happy. When they have successfully achieved their goals, that's the most rewarding thing.